Oh my goodness, guys. We're gonna be customizing a doll! What? Oh my gosh, hey, what? Oh my gosh, hey, what? It's Morgan in the AG family. That's me. Okay. So, I am so excited for this. You guys have no idea. I have wanted to do this for so long, and I'm just like super excited. I mean, in no way to brag at all. I love these type of videos. I love them so much. I binge watch these type of videos, guys. So I hope you guys like them, and if you do, great, because I love making videos that you guys love and that I love. So I'm just super excited for this, and okay, so this is my first customization ever. I have put freckles on my dolls before, but this is like the customization. So if this goes badly, it will not be up, but you will not see this. Okay, so I am going to be opening this wig for you guys, and then I'm going to show you the customization. I'm going to be customizing my doll Ava. She's adorable, but her hair is kind of not how it used to be. It's okay. It's just like not how it used to be. It used to be so much more bouncy and like, you know, really soft. I like frizzy hair, just not, it doesn't suit her for me. I think it looks okay. I just want it in its real product as it was before, because I see a lot of her with really silky, bouncy hair, and it looks so good. So I don't have the exact same wig at all. This wig is actually very different, and it is from Exquisite Doll Designs, so it's right down there. I don't know if she has a YouTube channel, but I definitely recommend that you check out her Etsy. Size my address. Show me there. Her Etsy, because she has adorable wigs, guys. Adorable wigs. So we are just going to be opening this, and let's get right into it. This is my montage music for the video because I don't wanna get copyright. Oh, what? Okay, I was kind of expecting this because I've seen videos that have like beautifully custom exquisite doll design in them, so I was kind of expecting this. You guys do a really great job. Like, wigs must be your first priority because this is really magnificent. This is beautiful. Okay. Oh gosh, no. No, don't do this to me. It's super cute. It's too gorgeous. Oh wait, it's caught on the string. Okay. There we go. It's too gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is my first wig ever, guys. I don't know if this look good on her, right? Well, it's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. It's a mixture between brown, black, and that's the ombre feel. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. Okay. It fits American Girl dolls, right? Yes. Okay. Okay. Just like, no. We have to take off her hair first. But this is so gorgeous, guys. I definitely recommend them. My gosh. This is just incredible. I mean, like, they are top notch. They are legit. They're legit. I really recommend it. Okay. Alright, let's get into the customizing part with Ava. I'm enough. Oh my goodness. Coma into cuteness. Let's go into here. But guys, before I go on this procedure, I just want you guys to know that I am so grateful for you guys and for this, and I'm just grateful for everything. I'm so happy that I have you guys. Also, that I am not trying to tear up my doll at all. She is precious. She means like everything to me. She means so much to me, and I love her so much. I just simply want to upgrade her look with this new hair because I think her old hair is getting a bit raggedy and just it wasn't its usual style. It wasn't its usual texture, and this has really great texture, and it's her new texture. It's her one that she came in. So yeah, I had her for a while. I had her when I was younger, so like Yeah, I'm just redoing her look. Guys, in real time, this took like 2 hours. This doll had so much glue on her hair. She's covered in hair because I had to literally cut her hair off and cut the wig because it was stuck so much in my hands. I cut myself accidentally because of this. And I gotta do some more, but I mean, they really glued her whole head, and it was just so hard the entire time. So hard. I see the other customizations, they don't have as much glue, I think. Maybe either way, it was really hard for me. It was really hard. It's my first customization, so it took a really long time, but whatever. We kind of got it done. I'm going to put the wig on her, and I'm going to see where I want to place it. This might be a little hard too. Okay. Alright, so I've got it on her now. And, I mean, it was a bit hard to get on because it was a bit small. And I had to, like, really wrap it around. But I think it looks good this way. And it's actually pretty tight because it was small. But, I mean, I think it's just gorgeous. I think it's gorgeous. I think she looks good. Yeah, I really like it. I'm really loving this, people. I'm gonna love this wig so much. Oops, that's why we gotta glue it on. Okay, I'm gonna glue it on now. Alright guys, so I've glued the wig on. I couldn't really record it because I needed to hold her in my, like, in between my legs as I did it to keep her still. But I have glued it on. I was very scared because I did not want to mess it up at all. I was like, okay, you cannot mess this up whatsoever, but it looks really good. I really like it. Here's the side view, and it's just so long. It goes all the way down to like her feet if you straighten it. I don't want to straighten it. I want to keep it like just as it is. It's so pretty, guys. Oh my gosh, I just want to take pictures of her in it, and I just want to play with her in it. I mean, she just looks so cute in it. I just love it, and I just love it. Thank you, Exquisite Doll Designs. I repeated it twice, I'm sorry. So I was like, I just love it, and I just love it. Like, we get it. Okay. But, Exquisite Doll Designs, guys, definitely check them out. I would definitely check them out if I were you. I mean, just, their wigs are gorgeous. It's gorgeous. So I'm gonna leave her be. I'm probably gonna leave her be for the next day to let it dry, and then I'm gonna see, and I'm gonna try to pull on it. But I love it. Thank you guys for watching. This is my first customization. It took so long, but I can't believe I did it. Okay. Okay. Bye. Oh, please be sure to subscribe and like for more. I love you guys. You know, sorry if I'm not posting all the stop motions right now. My mom's in the middle of making a dollhouse, and once that dollhouse is done, I'm going to be filming all the stop motions in there. So, yeah, sorry if I'm not filming a lot right now, but I'll be doing, like, probably DIY videos and crafts that are really fun. So, I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching so much. I love you guys. And Ava says bye. That's her name, Ava. Bye.